Alright, today we're going to do a little bit with SSH and pivoting and some tunneling. What our situation is we found a IP address with port 22 open. We've managed to run something like THC Hydra, or we've managed to run something against it in order to get a password, or we had some other kind of like social engineering attack to get password. If you want to practice getting into SSH, a really good distro to try that on is de-iced. Try the 1.100. You can learn a little bit about getting SSH, getting a front end on it. Alright, right here you can see that we have backtrack. It's on the 192.168.1 network. It's sitting in a VM with a bridge connection. And then this is Windows Vista, and you can see it's sitting on the same network. Now what we've managed so far is John Smith at 10.1.1.2, which this network is split so that only computer that we can access on the 10.1.1 network is the 10.1.1.2. So here, just to kind of show that, we can ping 10.1.1.2. But you can see we will not get a request from any other machine. So the only one that we can access right now is the 10.1.1.2. So we SSH in that session. And usually at this point you want to start finding some other machines. We've already found out that we can't do anything on this machine. We can't port netcat over and install it. We can't get any other session. We can't escalate privileges. We can't do anything along those lines. So we've already found out that the only thing we can do on this machine is connect to the machine. So we want to try to see what else is out there, what else can we connect to, what else can we use to pivot through this system. So one good thing to find some other system is use arp-a. Just look at the arp table, and I could see that 10.1.1.4 is one that's sitting out there. And then I could just ping 10.1.1.4. Yes, it's replying, and we could see that it's out there. We're going to use that system in this example, but normally you do something along the lines of a for loop, and you want to try to loop through everything from 10.1.1.1 all the way up through .255, trying to ping all the addresses and see if you can get any responses back from anything. But in this situation, 10.1.1.4 is going to work out for us. So right now with the SSH session, we need to start setting up the pivoting. And what we're going to do is we're going to SSH, and we're going to listen on port 444. And we're going to go to 1.1.4, and we're going to try to see if we can find some services open. Let's try see if just SSH is open on it. So SSH, and then we're going to do J Smith at 10.1.1.2. And we're connecting the SSH. Now this just looks like a normal SSH session, but we're going to use this because it's doing the forwarding onto 10.1.1.4. The way we're going to use this, we're going to find out right now if that service is open by connecting back to our loopback address, which is listening on 4444. So one. And we connect with NCAT. You can also use netcat as well. Both work great. And you connect back, and you could see that we got denied. And if you actually go over to the SSH session, you could see that open failed. So we know that that port's closed. So let's just exit out of there.